Consider the matrix, the eigenvalues of M are, right. So here again sum of the eigenvalues lambda 1 plus lambda 2 plus lambda 3, that is equal to 0, and all diagonal elements 0 means what is the determinant value? 0. If any matrix, any square matrix, if all the diagonal element is 0, then its determinant value 0. What is determinant? Product of eigenvalues, right? That also 0. Then sum, and here minus 5 minus 2, sum is 0 here, but product not equal to 0, so this is not valid. Here sum 0, product also 0, so this is valid, right? Here sum 0, but product not equal to 0. Here nothing, product and sum not equal to 0, so option B is correct.